think about the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
Alrighty guys, so I am getting stuff done, and that's what I like about being able to stay home and focus on getting stuff done around the house, because then I get it done, which is so nice. But I wanted to take some time really quick to show you guys how I did my Ray Dunn bowls. Remember I had asked in my video, how do you guys stack them? And a lot of people had given me a lot of good resources to use to stack my bowls. But basically what I did for these, just for now, is I actually folded up a paper towel and I just set them in there. So at least you could see the words, the Bon Appetit, Foodie, Yum, and Eat. So at least you can see them and they look really cute. But I know they probably could be a little bit higher, which I know that people do them higher. I'm gonna try to see if I can find the little tiny like cake stands that you can put inside of there. I mean, if I can, it's not a big deal. A lot of people have said use rice. You could use whatever, you know, to stack those. So I just kind of used a paper towel for now. So that's what I did. And then I got my very first Christmas gift item in the mail today via Amazon. Brian has been wanting a Snuggie for so long, and he's like, I want a Snuggie. And the reason why he wants a Snuggie is so when we travel, he could bring it in the car and wrap up in it, but still be able to use his hands. And he said the same thing here, like on the couch. So he's been asking for a Snuggie, so I ordered him a Snuggie, and it came in the mail today. So I was very happy about that. And my Halloween costume came in the mail today too. Epic fail. It won't zip up around my bustier area. So obviously that was a little bit tight, but I'm hoping maybe next year, crossing my fingers, that I will get on board and start like working out and walking and losing more weight. That would be great. But for now, I'm gonna continue to clean up the house. I just mopped up the floor in the kitchen, and I just gotta vacuum up around this little area here. I have stuff that I've swept over here in the corner that I have to suck up with the vacuum. I've been doing laundry, folding, putting things away. Again, it's so nice just to get stuff done. And then I pulled out my well, I obviously emptied Brian's suitcase that he used the other day when he was gone. So I actually pulled and put a dress in there that I'm taking to Courtney for this weekend. Oh, this is I gotta do these empties before I leave too. So I'll probably do an empties video tomorrow. And then, so I got my suitcase out. I got some stuff that I'm gonna be bringing with me to my mom's house this weekend. Gift, where's the other bag? Oh, it's back here. And then I washed that navy blue shirt that I picked up the other day at Target, so it's hanging here. It's a possibility that I'll wear that. I also got this sweater, which is so pretty. I ordered this online at one of those like little boutiques that are on Facebook or whatever, and I really, really like it so far. It looks like it's gonna fit. I washed it yesterday and I hung it to dry, so that's usually what I do with all of my first time like purchases, I like to wash them first. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish sweeping up this floor in here and sucking up all the dirt. And then I'm gonna probably take the mop to it. This stuff needs to go outside. This stuff is gonna go to Goodwill because yeah, I don't need it anymore. Or actually I might take a picture of it and send it to my sister because she might need some stuff. I want to kind of give you guys a little bit of an update on my sister. She is currently living with my mom and dad. She did have a nervous breakdown. Let me turn this off. I'm actually watching 90210. Hold on. Let me turn that down. She actually, you know, she did have a nervous breakdown a couple weeks ago. And come to find out, like, more stuff, you know, obviously transpired from all that. It was between she and her husband. So it looks like they're going to be separating, which is sad because I knew that she was really like hoping that this would be like the one. But sadly, he's not willing to go to counseling to help with anger management and his temper and all that good stuff. So it's like, if you're not willing to work on this relationship, then this relationship didn't mean anything to you to begin with. So, I mean, that's just my opinion. That's how I look at it. But she is currently living with my mom and dad, and I think she's going to be looking to get herself her own place very soon. So with that being said, I have some stuff that I can take her if she needs some of that stuff. So yeah, but I'm excited to see her this weekend. It's going to be nice to spend a couple of days with her and Courtney, of course, as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting some stuff done around here, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Bye. Alrighty guys, well, it's coming to that time where I have to say goodbye until tomorrow. I have got to finish putting these towels and stuff away and get ready for dinner tonight. I'm just gonna warm up the soup that I made yesterday for Brian. Super simple and easy, just to keep it easy for myself. Today's just been a very busy, hectic day for me, cleaning the house, getting stuff ready for my departure on Thursday, and then of course our departure on Tuesday for 4 days. So yeah, I wanted to add this in here though, really quick. Booked my next Disney trip. I will be going to Disney in March of 2019. I know it seems so far away, but I will be going to Disney for my birthday weekend, leaving here on March 8th and coming home on the 12th. So it's going to be the entire weekend. I've already booked my trip. I'm staying at Caribbean Beach. Things might happen, things might change, and I might change my mind, and I might say someplace else, but for now it's booked. And I'm staying at Caribbean Beach. I actually have it booked for me and Brian. Not sure if he's gonna go with me. I highly doubt it. But I am gonna be meeting some friends there. I'm really excited to spend my birthday weekend at Disney with my friends. I'm not exactly sure if Brian will come with me. I'm guessing he probably won't because he is so already like sick and tired of Disney. So he probably won't go. But with that being said, I am going to go and I'm going to end the vlog so I can get this up and edited. So for you guys tomorrow, I'll see you guys in Wonderland. Bye!